Hi everyone! Welcome to Cobalt Crochet Tutorials. I'm so excited to have you all here with me today. Today we're going to learn how to make the half double crochet stitch. This stitch is really beautiful and I can't wait to get started. It's going to be helpful if you already know how to make a slip knot and the chain stitch. If you don't know how to make those, no problem. I have a tutorial for both of those on my channel, so be sure to check those out. So first, make your slip knot and slide it onto your hook. And tighten it a little bit, not too tight, otherwise it'll be difficult for anything you're crocheting. And you're going to chain your desired length. I'm going to chain 5 for the purpose of this video. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then an extra one. That extra one is called the turning chain, and basically it's going to equal the height of every row. So my actual width is going to be these 5 chains, and then the height is this turning chain. It'll make more sense as we continue through the rows. So now I'm going to find the second chain for my hook. This is the first chain for my hook because it's the chain that is closest to the hook. And so I'm going to go into this second one right here. And as you can kind of see, there are 3 parts to this chain in a way. There's this top strand, this middle strand coming out right through the center, and this bottom strand. I like to go right above the bottom strand, so under the middle and the top. So when I go in to start my stitch, I'm going to be going right in here. I'll show you that again. I'm going to be going right in here. Okay, so to start your stitch, you're going to yarn over. Yarn over is wrapping the yarn behind the hook and all the way around. That's called a yarn over. So first yarn over, and then in that second stitch, insert your hook. Now you're going to put the yarn over the hook again, catch it in that neck, tilt it down slightly, and pull it through that chain and lift it up. So now I have 3 loops on my hook. The next thing you're going to do to finish your stitch is yarn over, catch it in the neck of that hook, tilt it down slightly, and pull through all 3 loops that were on your hook. Now I've made a half double crochet stitch. Let's do another one. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, or the chain stitch, excuse me. Yarn over, pull through the chain, lift up, tighten, and make sure when you're tightening after you lift up, you aren't making it too tight. Now I'm going to yarn over again and pull through all 3 to finish my stitch. Now I've made 2. This is the first one, this is the second. Let's do one more. So start by yarning over, find your next chain. I just went into this one, as you can see, because the bottom of that last stitch I just did is kind of grabbing onto the top 2 loops of that chain. So it's going to be this chain right here. So I insert my hook, I yarn over, I tilt my hook down slightly, pull that through, yarn over, catch it in the neck, tilt down, and pull through all 3 loops on that hook. Now let's finish out this row. Pull through all 3. My last one. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, I've finished my row. As you can see, I've got 5 half double crochet stitches here now. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, and here's 5. I'm kind of looking at the top of them because that's an easy way to count. The tops of all your stitches are going to have these V's right on the top of them. So let's make our turning chain, because we make a turning chain at the end of every row. So the turning chain for half double crochet stitches is 1. So we're just going to chain 1, turn our work, and now we're going to find the first stitch to work into. The first stitch to work into is actually the last stitch we did from the previous row. So this last stitch right here, this is its top, this V right here. And so we're going to work into that first. I'll bring it a little closer so you can see right where we're going into. So see this V? Not this V, this is the turning chain. We don't want to go into the turning chain, we want to go into the first half double crochet stitch that we just made in the last row. So I'm going to be putting my hook right under that V, both loops of that V. So let's yarn over to start our stitch, insert our hook right under that V, yarn over, catch in the neck, pull through, yarn over, catch in the neck, pull through all 3. Let's do another one. So I've just worked into the top of that stitch, and now I'm going to go into the top of this one. So this V right here. Gonna go yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, and pull through all 3. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to like this video or subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.